Hey scientists. All right, today we're going to learn how to use a meter stick or a half meter stick to measure the length of something. Okay, we can also use these to measure distance as if we're looking for something that's traveling. But today we're just going to do length. So this is a full meter stick. You can tell it's a full meter stick because it goes all the way up to 100. And this is a half meter stick because you can tell it goes only to 50. The other side is inches. And you can tell they're inches because they are not in base units of 10, right? You notice this has big increments, so there's little ones and then big ones, but it's 10, 20, 30, right? This one's just consistent, so this is inches. But in science, we use the metric system, so we are gonna use the metric side, measuring in centimeters. Okay, so I wanna measure this wooden block, and I could use either one, but it's nice to have something that's a little more scaled to the right size. So I actually don't need the meter stick, and it can go over here. So it cannot fall on the ground. It's gonna fall on the ground, isn't it? It is. It is. Okay, so when we start off measuring, we just wanna line up so our ends are like perfectly aligned there like that, right? So it's at the 0 mark. The 0 mark on this one is the end. Some things have a mark that actually says 0. And then we go down to the other side and we look. So this is 20, and we can count 1, 2. Those little ones are actually millimeters. The big ones are centimeters. And these actually, this right here, from this to the 10, that's a decameter. We don't need to use that one. So this one I would say is 20.2, 20.3, you decide. 20.2 centimeters, right? Because we're measuring in the 20, that means I'm measuring a centimeter. Now let's do like the width, same type of idea, okay? So we're lining it up at the 0, and this one is 8.8 centimeters. And then if we're gonna do the height, same type of thing. This looks like, notice I'm getting right down level with it so I can see. I'm gonna say that's a 2 centimeters, 2.0 centimeters even. All right, that is how you measure something using a meter stick. Good luck, scientists.